I want to show you my favorite way to paint skulls. I start with a solid base coat of Steel Legion drab, covering the entire skull. Then I shade it with Agrax Earthshade. Next I sketch in the shadows in the recesses with a dark earthy tone like dryad bark. From here I mix a thin glaze of Xandri dust with glaze medium and apply it softly to the raised areas for my first highlights. Next I blend things together with another glaze mix, Xandri dust and Steel Legion drab. Kinda similar to wet blending, but not quite as gradual. After that I move on to use Shepty Bone for brighter highlights. And then smooth it back down with another glaze mix of Shepty Bone and Xandri dust. This keeps the transitions soft and natural. Once everything has fully dried, it's time for the final highlight, Screaming Skull. I place this carefully on the most prominent spots. Finally, I thin down Screaming Skull with glaze medium and apply it along the edges of my highlights. This creates soft blends and a subtle transparency effect that makes the bone feel layered and organic. And that's it, my favorite way to paint skulls.